Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling Mary International Hotel. I'm Christian. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation.
Certainly, sir. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Daniel Reyes.
Thank you, Mr. Daniel. For what date and time would you like to make a reservation?
The date is February 14, 2025 and 6 a.m. in the morning.
Thank you, Mr. Daniel. May I also have your contact number, please?
My contact number is 091234567889.
Got it. And how many people will be joining you, Mr. Daniel?
Only 2 people, just me and my wife.
Would you prefer indoor or outdoor seating, sir?
I prefer an outdoor setting.
Perfect, sir. Just to confirm, that's a reservation for 2 people on February 14, 2025 and 6 a.m. in the morning under the name of Daniel Reyes with the seating preference of outdoor seating. Is that correct, sir? Great. Your reservation is confirmed. If you need to make any changes, feel free to call us. We look forward to serving you at Mary International Hotel. Have a great day, Sir Daniel.
Hello. How do you want? Mabuhay. Welcome to Mary's International Hotel.
Good morning.
This way.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Mary's International Hotel, sir. How may I help you?
Good morning. We would like to check in. We have a reservation under the name of Roy Vincent Asobar.
Certainly, sir. Checking in your reservations now. May I have any IDs you have?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. Mr. Roy, let me verify your reservations. You booked for our deluxe room for approximately 6 nights for 2 persons with the rate of 500 pesos. Your reservations come with buffet breakfast, which starts at 10 until 6 p.m. Here's the list of our facilities. It also includes our Wi-Fi passwords there. Card.
Thank you, Mr.
Your room is 309, which is located at the 3rd floor. All rooms are non-smoking. Abel Manuel will assist you there. And if you have any concerns, just please dial 0. From here, the front desk is the number or dial.
Thank you.
And please do enjoy your stay, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. We would like to check out, please.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling front desk. This is Elton speaking. You are going to check out from room 301. Am I right, Mr. Roscoe?
Yes, that's right.
Did you consume anything from the minibar, sir?
Yes, we did consume food at the minibar.
Thank you for that information. Do you need any assistance with your luggage?
Yes, please, because we have a big luggage.
Noted, sir. Kindly wait for a bell stop. Thank you. Can you please go to room 301 and assist the guest here for luggage assistance? Okay, sir.
The service.
Where's our luggage? Please assist us.
This way, sir. Good afternoon, housekeeping. Room 301 for checkout. Please confirm the number of food and drinks consumed by the guest. Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you?
Good afternoon, sir. We would like to check out this.
May I have your key card, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
May I have our statement of account, sir?
Alright, sir. Please give me a moment to confirm with the housekeeping the number of consumed food and drinks items at the minibar. Please wait a minute, sir. Hi, housekeeping. This is front office.
Hello, front office is housekeeping. Yes, sir. I'd like to confirm the number of food and drinks and items consumed at the minibar from room 301. The guests consumed 3 cans of soda, 2 packs of chocolates, and 1 cup of Pringles. The rest of items are sealed.
Alright, thank you. Have a great day. By the way, sir, upon checking on your first day, you had spa worth 2,500 pesos. And on the second day, you had a breakfast worth 1,860 pesos. And you consumed at the minibar worth of 640 pesos. By the way, sir, how was your stay here?
It's great. It's wonderful. We hope to be back soon. Thank you.
Okay, sir. I'm glad that you have a wonderful and great stay. Hoping to see you again here, sir. Have a great day ahead. Thank you for staying.